KTM has unveiled its latest flagship adventure motorcycle, the 1390 Super Adventure S EVO, which boasts a significant bump in displacement and advanced features. The new model increases its engine size from 1301 to 1350 cc, resulting in a power boost of 10 brake horsepower. The Euro 5 Plus compliant LC8 V-twin engine now produces a claimed 170 brake horsepower at 9,500 rpm and 107 pound-feet of torque at 8,000 rpm. The fuel tank remains at 23 liters, while the bike's wet weight is listed at 245 kilograms. A standout feature of the 1390 Super Adventure S EVO is the introduction of a semi-automatic gearbox. The bike also showcases KTM's new premium touchscreen, portrait mount 8-inch TFT display, offering access to an updated adaptive cruise control system. Powered by Bosch's latest radar technology, the adaptive cruise control can bring the bike to a complete stop in traffic and automatically resume when the road clears. KTM has incorporated camshaft technology, initially introduced on the 1390 Super Duke EVO, which enhances peak performance and improves low-end rideability, all while achieving lower emissions and fuel consumption. Chassis enhancements include increased frame stiffness and foot pegs that are now wider and lower, potentially impacting off-road maneuverability. The bike is equipped with the latest WP semi-active suspension, offering greater precision through a new pulse width module and a redesigned fork through rod construction. Aesthetic updates feature new bodywork, an updated seat design, an all-new LED headlight, a redesigned windshield, and additional storage compartments. The KTM 1390 Super Adventure S EVO will be available in dealerships by February 2025, with pricing yet to be announced.